Hey y'all. So, I don't know why I didn't think of this before, but I went home a couple of weeks ago and my dad gave me a bag of cloths to clean with. And I was like, man, I could definitely clean with them, but what else could I do with them? And then it hit me. Look at this. And it's five of us, okay? I got three boys, a husband, and me. One roll of paper towels. One of these a day goes in the kitchen. All right. One roll of paper towels a day, and it just hurts me to see them get used up. To dry their hands, they need 3 and 4 paper towels, which is ridiculous. I try to use a half or half of a half. Or I use the rag to dry my hands because I know how much they cost, and it's just too many paper towels. So we finally ran out, and I'm like, I'm not buying no more. And I said, I'm gonna use these rags that I was gifted and whatever else is laying around the house. So I'm actually going to make paper towels for our hands and rags to clean with these. Like I said, they're pretty thin. I'm gonna use some scrap fabric I have, as well as some other fabric that I bought that I couldn't think of anything to do with. And I'm going to sew rags and hand towels and just rewash them and reuse them to save money. And I'm washing clothes anyway. I pretty much wash clothes every day. So I might as well make these. So y'all pray for me that I can make these and make good use of them. Because how many of y'all tired of the paper towel? It keeps some of them long. So this is a better view. So it's pretty good fabric. It's a little stretchy, not much. And then on the top, I'm going to use, this is old little outfit. I ain't never wore it. I don't even know why I have this. But I'm going to cut this up in the pieces to match this. So I'm going to fold them in half. I'm going to fold them in half, cut them, and then cut my other fabrics. I got this that I never wore, which is a lot of fabric, so I'm going to use that as well. So let's do it. Now I'm going to sew this all the way around, and I'm going to leave a small opening right here. Is that opening that I folded it out. I did round the corners just to see how that would look. And I used a burgundy thread and this color, the gold thread, just to show how it would look. But the opening, I'm just gonna see how it was. I'm gonna fold it inside like that, and I'm gonna sew around. Kind of messed that part up. I should have did it more in here, not on the edge. Lesson learned. But I'm gonna fold it and I'm gonna sew it around that piece. And what I'm gonna do is crooked, okay? But I'm gonna improve. I also cut it crooked, all right, just to see. But here's the little cloth. It's got the same color thread on that side, and that's the burgundy. And then I'm gonna do a cross because I don't want this to happen when it gets wet, or if I'm doing something, you know how stuff kind of separates. I don't want that. So I'm going to sew an X across. And these, again, this is my first one, so of course I'm gonna improve on the others. But look, it's stretchy. I can fold them up pretty neat, store them away. Look at that. It could be a good nose rag, a little handkerchief, some stuff in the car. And again, it just makes it a little bit more durable so you're not wasting a lot of material. See that? And so when it does get wet or whatever, look, it's not getting all floppy all over the place. It stays together. So that's the purpose of this. Again, you can make it whatever color you want. I have some clear thread in case I don't want to see any of that. But it really don't matter, especially if you're just cleaning. If you want these like in your bathroom, in your kitchen, obviously you can change it, make it a little neater so that it's a little bit more pleasing to the eye. So this is the second pattern, and it turned out better. Instead of rounding the edges, I just kept them square, and it was a little easier. You see how it's closed in. All right, and then I got the thread, if you can see it, crossing. so it's not flopping all over the place. I don't know if you can see. So that's the second pattern. What is it, buddy? I'm just gonna fold them up and they store away right nice. Here's the other one. That was a little softer. Look, there's two already made, and it takes less. I'm gonna just say 5 minutes to make these. And I actually changed out the thread twice. So for this one, I use black and white thread for the top and bottom, so you can't even see it. Right? White and then black. This one, I used the colors, the burgundy, just so I could show what that looks like. And that's the goal. Watch my video, which I'll link after this, about how to make your own laundry detergent. And you only need a little bit. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.